So today we'll talk about this mCaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Scrub. So it has coffee with vitamin E and it's for normal to oily skin. It's not for dry skin. Dry skin, you should not go for this because it's not for your skin type. Also, if we'll talk about the normal to oily skin, I have oily skin and I really like this product. I'm using it since a year or two and I really like this scrub. I've also tried the green tea one, but the green tea one is for dry skin, it's not for oily skin. So I have that too, but I'll use it in winters, not now. So for now I'm using this one. It smells amazing, the texture is amazing. You have to use it on a clean face, like first do your cleanser and then go for the scrubber. So oily skin, for normal to oily skin, it's quite a good option to go for. This one is 100 gram for 349 rupees, which you can say is quite pricey comparing to other brands and their scrubs, but it's totally worth it. It leaves your skin soft after you use it. It completely, when you use it and you rinse your face, you will feel really soft and clean. Then you have to spread it till your neck, so use it on your neck as well. Whatever you use it on your face, use it on your neck, whether it's moisturizer, scrub, cleanser or anything. So you have to gently scrub it in a circular motion and then for a minute or two, and then you can rinse it off with the cold water or normal tap water, and then you can just pat dry your face and use your moisturizer, toner, whatever you use. And you can use this scrub twice a week. If you want good results, you can use this product twice a week. Overall, this product is good, it's worth it, but if it seems expensive to you, you can go for another option. But if you talk about particularly this product, it's not for a dry skin, it's for normal to oily skin. So if you have normal to oily skin, you can surely go for this product. This is all I have to say about this product. I hope this review helps you to decide whether you should go for it or not. And I'm saying all of this with my personal experience and I'm totally satisfied with the product. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe your girl, like subscribe this channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to get the notification whenever I upload my next video. And keep supporting, keep loving your girl. Peace out and thank you guys for watching.